Mosaic Energy finances, develops, and operates production centers that are focused on green energies and offer PPAs, or in other words, power purchase agreements, in order to assist its partners in achieving their energy security goals. Mosaic Energy's expertise values wind, solar, and geothermal energy, stocking, and smart grids. Our turnkey solutions are designed to optimize high-quality production while complying with timelines and required budgets. Following the Memorandum of Agreement previously signed with the Mauritanian government in collaboration with the ANADER team, National Renewable Energy Agency, Mosaic Energy has mobilized a team of experts to conduct feasibility studies on several sites requiring needs greater than 500 megawatts. In Mauritania, the energy production will play out around these three main renewable energy connections in the future: solar energy, wind energy, and hydraulic power. Through a public-private partnership with Mosaic Energy, Mauritania is able to rely on wind and solar renewable energy, which when combined with other solutions, fuel the country's essential energy needs and turn out to be powerful vectors for land use planning, creation of economic activities, and local development. The developmental approach set out by Mosaic Energy effectively addresses the growing needs for clean and reliable energy and does so in a flexible manner. Aside from the facilities required for clean electricity production, it is essential that this production is integrated into the existing networks and can thereby effectively plan the delivery of electricity towards industrial, commercial, and residential sites considered a priority by the Mauritanian government. Our studies conducted to this day lead us to the conclusion that over the long term, clean sources of energy such as wind and solar will offer Mauritania an outstanding energy potential. Our objectives are clear: produce green and economical energy to replace fossil fuels, install leading-edge technologies to provide an optimal price-performance ratio, improve energy security as well as long-term cost estimates, support green environmental policies, provide assistance for local economic development, promote technology transfer and training, and bring to this end a major source of private capital. All sites have been rendered. As an example, we are presenting you with 4 of the major sites for clean energy development: Boulinoir, Nouadhibou, Emboud, and Tassiast. In order to offer the most innovative solutions, we are working with the best technological partners, such as Dassault Systems. Dassault Systems solutions are among the best for the management of renewable energy programs, as well as site and facility maintenance and operation. A leader in its sector, Dassault Systems offers a unified platform which integrates design, modeling, simulation, visualization, and investment project management. A closer look at the Boulinoir site. Since Mauritania is benefiting from an ideal situation to operate clean energy, we believe it is appropriate to propose the implementation of a wind energy site in Boulinoir. This site could benefit urban and industrial areas and generate the necessary energy, in part or in total, to help develop mining in the area. The choice of this site corresponds perfectly to your global development strategy for the power grid across the country. Now a closer look at the Nouadhibou site. The Nouadhibou Peninsula has exceptional conditions for wind energy that could compete with some of the world's most productive sites. Nouadhibou's wind energy potential is considerable, and Mosaic Energy will implement wide-ranging infrastructure to take full advantage of this opportunity. These facilities will be able to generate energy production at a level never before seen, and therefore will contribute to industrial development and energy exports. Next, a closer look at the Tassiast site. On a global level, the demand for metals and minerals have increased significantly over the past few years, and Mauritania is in a position to unearth considerable resources. The development of Tassiast's mining corridor is particularly crucial. In the years ahead, the demands of Tassiast's mining corridor is expected to exceed 2,000 megawatts. The agricultural city of Emboud is located in the Gourgoul region. Among other things, the important irrigation basin of the Oesh-Guesh is located in this area. The Emboud project was initially intended to be a hydraulic-type facility. After much consideration, our experts have determined that a sufficient potential of wind and solar energy is available and much more viable for the region. This integration and cross-border project will provide a unique positioning for Mauritania. It is part of a broader sub-region development program whose energy production capacity is valued at 144,000 megawatts. This should bring notoriety and distinction from around the continent and the world. Within the context of the Power Purchase Agreement, or PPA, Mosaic Energy is committed to implementing the necessary facilities in order to respond to these new energy needs, and therefore allow the various mining companies in the area to reach their full economic potential. The Power Purchase Agreement, or PPA, will allow Mauritania to attain an unprecedented level of power production, unrivaled in the country's history. Mosaic Energy is therefore able to generate major economic benefits for Mauritania's sustainable development through electrical power supply of the mining corridor, diversification of energy production sources, training and transfer technology, creation of high-value added jobs, exporting energy to neighboring countries including Europe. The PPA initially covers over 13 sites, responding to an initial need of 500 megawatts, remaining flexible to rapidly scale the production to several thousand megawatts in order to meet domestic and export needs. Mosaic Energy is proud of its strategic partnership with the Islamic Republic of Mauritania and its commitment to a greener future.